Diamond 2. I am two children. The two, how are you? This one eagerly grants Granny her granite grunt about the gaping need for strict pragmatism beyond pleasure schemes. Craves capital continuity allotments. Cuts through patio patois with news of the minuscule space between torment and ecstasy. Knows when even a rock runs out of time. The other trips regularly over a reclining bull in the sky. Gets shit on the hands or something with a sauce. One whose passionate dining excludes no treat group. Whose additives speak louder than workouts and addictions louder than workload. Are you secure? Everybody should have a roost where they can lasso the two into conference, engineer a blessing on both your houses. Do you? Anyway, I love this family feeling that finds me from time to time. Home-cooked Diamond 5. We did not ask to see her privacy bombing on screen. What can be done when the team time comes? When the mortgaged bedroom reeks of penury, when the friends are all found void, we help them with the money pot. One cares to bestow, but we usually just give. Happy if managing not to insult. Do they suppose that we love to conspire? No more than Santa if he believes in children. We conspire to love. Jigsaw Hubbub 1. Online facts burping forward. Dreambait jailboat. You could put me in a room with 5 doors and I couldn't find my way out. I only paid for the oneness, the one we'd hoped to install ourselves. The vacuum embodies, they say, a broad-based array of product, seemingly a crawl with inner booty and maximum ass room. Shadow competes against flesh, dicey as Eurydice's departure. You know, English professors can't help punning on something like dicey and Eurydice. It's an occupational hazard. Jigsaw Hubbub 7. Lubricated gnats in necktie tourniquets glut the treadway. A few note the white-gloved Tokyo department store elevator girls, who may be the politest beings above ground. Are the gals paid enough for sinking, as it seems from the outside, into reiterative self-loss without dying? In the minimum security of a rabbit hutch, does their mirror's ice melt? One gnat is suddenly conscious of how his swashbuckling ego is ravaging his liver, his intestines. If the gals knew, he'd be appropriating some of their alleged surfaces for self-rejuvenation. Would they crack up as if witnessing a cucumber explode? And finally, Jigsaw Hubbub 23, the last poem in the book. In Hollywood and elsewhere, waterless urinals shave off up to 45 gallons of flush per annum. 30 years ago, you could fix a car. Now you have to consult it about how it wants to be fixed. Hope they put in plenty of what if. Mislay a single quotidian detail, and the software in question metallically announces, "You are behind this. We know how to scoop you up." If they're looking for some milquetoast to play deadbeat reading the eternal nightstick, they'd best keep scrolling. War still gnaws on foundations. Why isn't our brilliant new electronic sovereign ready with virtual pacifiers? Why can't it whip up a million careers in earthquake prevention? Thank you very much.